Hello everyone, Power Query Basic. Today I'm going to show you something very simple, how to convert some text into uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, how to remove some leading and trailing space, or even a line feed, and finally how to add a prefix or suffix to a text string. In Excel, you will need some Excel function to do so, but in Power Query, what you need to do is just go to the Transform tab here, and everything can be done under the Format here. So to give you a demonstration, I'm going to duplicate this column so that you can see the changes. Indeed, we can select multiple columns by holding the Control key and then apply the transformation here. Say, for example, I want to make all the text in these two columns uppercase. There we go. But I'm not going to do so. I want you to see the effect of each action. So I'm going to apply it on this duplicated column only. Now I select the column, go to Transform Format. The first one I would like to show you is lowercase. Very straightforward. It's just convert everything into lowercase. Let me remove the step. Try the second one, uppercase. Again, it is very straightforward. Just convert all the case into uppercase. So you can imagine that the capitalized each word is basically the popper in a regular Excel function. Let me remove it. Now let me show you the trim. The trim in Power Query behaves differently from the trim in Excel. Because in Power Query, it will only remove the leading space here and the trailing space. The extra space in between will remain there. If you want Power Query to trim like Excel, please refer to my previous video. Okay, let me remove this and go to the next one. Is the kin. Kin function is more or less the same as the kin function in Excel. It may remove the line fit. Here, the line fit is gone. Let me show you. Yes, originally 2 lines. Here, after the kin, 1 line. Okay. So the final one will be adding a prefix or a suffix. This is very straightforward. If I want to add something before the text, I'm using add prefix. Say text. I would normally put a delimiter afterward. This is the result. Let's do it to add on top of the result to add a suffix. Result. As simple as that. In Power Query, you don't have to remember or input any function. Just through the user interface, you can do most of this basic text transformation with clicks. Super easy. And I want to show you one more thing. Indeed, what we did is under the Transform tab here in the Power Query editor. But if you try to go to the Add column, you will see exactly the same actions here under Format. So you may wonder what is the difference. When we do it under Transformed, the transformation will be applied on the selected columns. But when we do it under the Format here in the tab of Add column, the result will be displayed on additional columns like this. So this is the major differences. And also you may imagine that because you are going to apply the changes and make the result into a new column, we cannot do it on multiple columns. We can only do it on a single column like this. Now I can go to the Add column tab, Format, and trim it. Then I will have one additional column. Hope you like this video. See you next time.